They shopping at Home Depot.
Do you think it's too tall?
No.
No, that's not
Actually have a box. Now I have all this space. It's like, what are you doing? I'm going with you. You can't leave us. Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Joy from AYJ Adventures. Today's video is all about the small projects, the little things that I needed to get done in the RV before I started my travels for 2020. So let's just get to it. So this is the current flooring that I have in the RV, and I am waiting for some flooring to get delivered. Definitely an art project. Weird corners and angles and all that stuff. I'm having a lot of fun. Not really. So that's the area going into the bathroom I have to complete. You know those Instagram photos that show how neat everything is? Yeah, that's not real. This is real. This is chaotic mess. I mean, I've got the flooring up here on my cushion. I've gone on YouTube to look at a few videos to kind of see how to go around the toilet. I'm going to take pieces of paper, tape them together so I can basically create a stencil, then lay out the flooring and hope that works. I don't know how this is going to turn out. And I went to art school, so this shouldn't be that hard, but you know, it's been a minute. While you did angles and weird things like that, you never laid flooring. So in my head, it makes sense. The challenge begins. Well, it's done. There were definitely some issues I had, but the stencil worked really well. Today I'm handling the remodel of the top bunk. I don't like it. Thought I did, but the more I kept looking at it, the more it reminded me of my parents' basement when we first moved into the house. So now I'm going through the painstaking process of removing said contact paper. I'm gonna paint it white. So even with just the first coat of paint, it actually looks much better than what's on that wall. One of the things I did decide to do, I did add a little bit of a film because I still want to be able to look out of this, and the cat loves being up here and loves watching outside. So this helps give it a little bit of privacy where you can't really see in completely, and I do have it on both sides. Today I'm going to replace this with another faucet, and I did find it tends to leak around here, and I'm sure I could have replaced the seal here, but to me it just made more sense to replace the whole thing. Bought this faucet off of Amazon. It is designed for RVs. The cool thing is it has a nozzle head that I can use to spray off dishes from sink to sink. Do I know what I'm doing? No clue. I've never replaced a faucet before in my entire life. On the other side of the sink, yeah, I cannot unscrew where the faucets are.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Exactly. I basically had to lay down on my back and try to reach it from that way. But even then my arms were too short.
I can't get my elbow up there. There's got to be a way to make that work. Yep, that's the way.
There is going to be some small leaks. That's what they said, because there's water, and I tried draining the pipes.
I don't know.
There's towels behind your head.
I don't want to get wet. Oh, come on. Come on, you. There you are. How you doing?
Oh, it's back there. You hit the button.
Okay, you
so
take
now
that.
It's now flashing.
Give me this. What do we got? Okay.
Hit the button so
Why is it? It's strobing on me. That's not nice.
You hit the button. There you go.
Now, take that. Try to get it.
So use this tool, flatten it, bends like that, and then we can just do this for tight spaces, and we just tighten like so.
Today I am going to be painting the inside of my door because it still has the ugly wallpaper that existed when I bought the RV. Yep, I gotta move the ladder closer. Oh no! I cannot believe I just did that. Oh my god. I almost Casey Neistat my GoPro. I was thinking about putting wallpaper on it. After I had the debacle with the upper bunk area, decided that I didn't like it. I really didn't want it on the door. So I'm just keeping it simple, and I'm painting it the same color that I painted the walls. And it won't be ugly, splotchy sponge painting. It's still a mess, but that's what my new home looks like. I am very happy with the results and how it turned out. It took my home and made it a living space for me, made it something that will work with how I'm going to travel. That is it on the renovation videos. I know it's not a how-to, that's not what those were designed to be. They're designed to be vlog styles, kind of what I went through to renovate my RV. If you do have any questions about anything that I've done in the RV, please feel free to ask, drop a comment below, and I will respond to all your questions. Make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will let my nephew sign us off. Until then, I will see you next time. Say until next time.
Until next time.
See you later.
See you later.
Give me another pillow. Alright, get a Xanax and I'll be fine.
Phone call. So I have to figure out. I don't want to talk to potential spam. Go away.